Hi guys, Fatima here, and today I just wanted to show you guys how I go ahead and propagate my string of hearts or Ceropegia woodi. Ceropegia woodi grows really fast and very nice in my opinion. Are you ready? Let's go! Propagating of Ceropegia woodi is a lot like propagating a pothos. I got two leaves right here, and you're gonna want to cut right above the leaves because this is the node right here, which is where the roots are gonna come out. So you want to make sure that this is gonna be able to come in contact with soil. I continue this to some nodes remain in parent pot. As much as possible, leaves are out of the soil. We let them to grow here a little, and then we transfer them to these small pots. When they grow more like this, they will get ready for selling to customers. Guys, first days of cuttings is very important. Try to don't let them be dry. Cuttings need moisture for rooting, so irrigate them daily. Thank you guys for watching me. Have a great time. Bye.